It's coffee time in the morning in the RV, the old Rockwood Mini Light. Over here we have the electric kettle that's connected to a switch, which I can turn on and off, so I don't have to always unplug it all the time. There's a coffee kettle, it has its own box, and it's usually in storage, filled with water right now. And at home we have ceramic pour-over filter holders, but for travel we have a plastic one. Hopefully it doesn't have too many issues. And then we have the paper filters and a mixture of different types of coffee that my wife has decided to mix together. And then we have ceramic cups. Our last trip we forgot to bring coffee cups. OMG. So I already have mine set and I'm making my wife's. Over here we have my wife's mixture of coffee in that left container. She has a mix of different kinds of coffees that she likes and prefers. And then we have a coffee cup for on the go. And then we have what do you call those when you squeeze them? I forget what they call them. I forgot. My brain just went empty again. And then we have paper filters for that contrivance right over there. And there's my favorite, fake sugar hazelnut sort of thing. And well, that's a French press. We have several of those at home. We have many French presses. And up here, I have other ways to make coffee and more on-the-go cups, etc., etc. So it's time to have coffee, don't you think? I better put in my coffee creamer, and I love my little electric kettle, and it works out absolutely flawlessly. This is Jesus Manuel Managarza. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below. This is a quick little video of my coffee setup this morning. Where am I? I'm at Claiborne State Park at Claiborne Lake, about 50 miles from my house. Not very far at all. And there's my dishes for this morning. Last night I washed them yesterday, so everything's pretty copacetic. So, hope you're doing absolutely fantastic wherever you're at. This is Jesus Manuel Managarza at Claiborne State Park. Thanks for checking out my video. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye. Don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. I'd appreciate it. Bye-bye.